Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Check your HDMI cable and port for damage and secure connections. Inspect both ends and the HDMI input on your TV. If the cable looks frayed, replace it with a high-speed HDMI cable. Set the Xbox display to 4K or 1080p and 60Hz in settings for stable output. Match the TV resolution to avoid scaling issues. Power cycle the console and the TV by unplugging for 60 seconds to clear temporary faults. Disable or enable HDR depending on TV compatibility to fix washed-out colors. Some TVs render HDR poorly, so test both modes and choose better result. Update audio output to HDMI and set bitstream or stereo as needed for clean sound. Verify TV speakers or external receiver settings match the Xbox output configuration. Check TV picture mode and turn off excessive sharpness or dynamic contrast for accurate image. Install the latest system update to get display and performance fixes from Microsoft. Check settings, then system, then updates to force a manual check and reboot afterward. Clean vents and keep 2 inches clearance for better cooling and thermal performance during gameplay. Use compressed air to remove dust and avoid opening the console unless skilled. Perform a factory reset only after backing up saves to the cloud to avoid data loss. If problems persist, contact support or use a professional repair service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.